30 minutes.
This game is just a basic team deathmatch. We each have one respawn.
Where are they starting from?
We decided to have half our team come down to yellow, and then the other half go up around green.
Oh my.
Graydon gets another team kill from a landmine.
He's flanking right, left, left. I'm out.
Spike, where are you?
I see us. I see him. I can't reach him though.
Somehow they have a sniper over towards green. Our other team and that sniper must have just walked right by each other.
I don't know. They threw that smoke and then didn't do anything.
We tried to communicate with our other team the whole game and really couldn't.
I think that's Cam. Got him. Got the one on the left, Graydon.
This game worked out pretty well for us. We kind of kept the attention of the whole other team as our second team swept all the way around behind them. Here's Cam on another death march. You can usually find him doing this at least once a game.
They're both dead.
I don't know. He's over there.
Who is that? Is that friendly or...
I think at this point in the game, our other team had already swept around and killed most of them. I think it's just Cooper left, and he's stuck in the tank. Won't come out. Cooper shoots our first guy, trying to get him out of the tank. And then, sorry Coop, but I asked you if you were out. And you said no way. I figured a Vector shooting 400 would be more painful than 40 Mike.